Well, here it is. The Turbski. It's Turbski time. Get some light in there. Fat ass being in the sunlight. Fuck it. Just got a little bit of shaft play. That's mint. That's factory. Fucking going on this little pig. Hell yeah. I said it, I meant it. Most y'all thought I was capping. Mitsubishi turbo. But she's going on the old beast. Let's give her a chooch. Come on, slut. Yeah, she likes the chooch. How much RPM do you need? All of it. Oh, but yeah, here's the Turbski. More up dawn days to come. Oh hell yes. Just gonna make all the boost. No wastegate, no fucking blow off valve. Who the fuck needs those? Oh yeah. Just all the chaff play. Bam! Give me a bam! Hell yeah. I might be ending up doing a motor and tranny swap because, as you see, she chooches and she fouls out the fucking plugs with oil. That's what that stutter was. It's not gas issue. I cleaned the injector already, took the throttle body off, and did all that shit. Took the plugs out blacker than Satan's ass. Fucking just wet. Just fucking soaking moist with oil. And we have no third, so it's just practical to fucking swap route. I mean, I could just do the head, but who the fuck wants to do that only when I'm missing third anyway? Yep, the old shoebox. We'll be getting motor and tranny swap. I'll think about filming it, but she's getting the old swapperooskies and a little turbskarooskies, and she's gonna be fucking neat. Bam!